Nothing beats a refreshing icy cocktail after a long week, but traditional blenders often leave you with annoying, chunky ice cubes. Finding the best blender for margaritas is essential if you want that perfectly smooth, restaurant-quality consistency right at home. The market is flooded with different options, ranging from portable travel gadgets to massive party machines. To help you make the right choice, I have analyzed the top options available based on performance, capacity, and overall value. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Margaritaville Maui Portable Frozen Drink Blender. If you love sipping tropical beverages on the move, this compact option is a fantastic companion. Built using rugged, shatter-resistant Triton plastic that handles water with ease, it is tailor-made for tailgates, pool days, or boat trips. The 18-ounce capacity ensures you can easily whip up a fresh batch to share with a friend wherever you go. Thanks to its highly efficient battery system, you get over 20 complete blending cycles out of a single USB charge. Operation is incredibly straightforward, utilizing a simple one-touch button that eliminates any confusing guesswork. It focuses heavily on portability, letting you enjoy finely shaved ice textures without needing a traditional wall outlet. This is the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who refuse to compromise on drink quality while far away from a kitchen. Number 4. Margaritaville DM0500 Frozen Concoction Maker. Stepping up to a dedicated countertop appliance, this model brings serious power to your home bar setup. It features a robust 450-watt system paired with dual motors specifically engineered to handle 2 separate tasks, shaving down the ice before blending your beverage. The massive upper reservoir stores plenty of ice, while the primary blending jar accommodates up to 36 ounces of liquid. You can rely on the automated settings or take total control using the manual shave and blend toggles to customize your texture. It arrives with a handy shot glass, clear instructions, and a recipe booklet to spark your creativity. Maintenance is remarkably simple because the main components are completely dishwasher safe. Measuring roughly 14 by 8 by 18 inches, it fits comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets. Number 3. Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker for Home. For those who prioritize massive capacity and versatility, this impressive machine stands out immediately. It allows you to create an astonishing 128 ounces of icy beverages at once, making it the supreme choice for large backyard barbecues and family celebrations. The double insulated chamber is designed to maintain freezing temperatures for hours, ensuring your beverages stay chilled during long, hot afternoons. A sturdy locking carry handle secures the lid tightly, transforming this massive unit into a portable party hub. When the festivities conclude, the entire blending chamber detaches effortlessly from the motorized base for a quick, hassle-free cleanup process. This unit is built to endure frequent use while showcasing a charming design inspired by classic Americana aesthetics. Number 2. Margaritaville Tahiti Margarita Machine. This premium powerhouse elevates home bartending into a true theatrical experience. Standing out with 3 separate 24-ounce jars, it creates a massive 72 ounces of frozen drinks during a single automated cycle. A spectacular rotating chute funnels shaved ice into each container, allowing you to craft over 6 distinct drink varieties simultaneously. The construction screams luxury, utilizing high-grade bamboo wood, brushed aluminum finishes, polished stainless steel accents, and heavy-duty die-cast metal components. Driven by 700 watts of combined blending and shaving power, this heavy-duty appliance tackles ice effortlessly while looking stunning on a countertop. Number 1. Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. Earning the crown as the absolute best choice overall, this model strikes the perfect balance between professional performance and user convenience. It features an extra-large ice reservoir that effortlessly yields up to 2.5 full pitchers per filling. Instead of merely crushing ice like standard kitchen tools, it creates authentic, premium shaved ice for a truly velvety texture. Navigating your options is incredibly simple, with 4 pre-programmed drink settings alongside manual controls for custom blending or shaving cycles. The innovative Easy Pour Jar features a convenient built-in hatch, allowing you to serve drinks without removing the lid. Final verdict: choosing the perfect machine depends on your entertainment style and space. The Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker wins as the best overall choice, offering flawless shaved ice texture and effortless serving features that suit most households perfectly. Meanwhile, the Margaritaville Tahiti Margarita machine stands out as the ultimate premium alternative, ideal for hosting large parties where guests crave variety. Whether you need a compact portable traveler or a heavy-duty countertop giant, these options guarantee smooth, refreshing results for your next gathering. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.